Hello, good afternoon. Good morning everyone. Good morning pa ba? Good afternoon na pala. 1 o'clock. Ayan po, today is Wednesday. Holiday today. Holiday in Paris. Some of them, they don't have work. The school is no work until Friday. So, yung mga employer ay nagbakasyon ng iba. Yung iba ay narito pa. Ayan. Nagluto ako ng pansit kasi daw kami ay magpa-park. Kaso, paano makakapag-park? Super cloudy at lamig. Medyo mahangin, malamig sa labas. Paano na kaya yan? Ayan. Nagluto ako ng pansit. Tapos, nag-request ng sinigang yung kasama ko. Oh. Sarap. Masim. Sinigang. Tapos, ayan, aba, ang daming pagkain. Okay, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Bye-bye. Yummy. Puro gulay lang ang sahog. Wala nang meat pa. No need.